Humber College has been a partner of A2 Group for quite a few years now. We regularly participate in A2 fairs as well as counselor training sessions. So this workshop has been very productive for us. We've been part of the A2 workshop for many years now, and we have a really good partnership relationships with many counselors from the A2 Group agencies. During this workshop, I meet both experienced counselors from regional offices and new counselors. And I think it's beneficial for training both the older counselors and the new counselors. Overall, I think it's very beneficial for both Humber College and A2 counselors, because we are here to present ourselves, talk about our programs, how we operate, and it helps the counselors to know more about how we work, improve their knowledge, and learn something new.